Good morning, friends. Let's start class. Today concept field status variant. What is field status variant? During the document entry, different fields are displayed depending on the transaction and the account used. Let's see an example. See the example. Rent account are to cash account. Rent account is a one line item. Cash account is a another line item. We can maintain information in 75 fields for every line item. So for debit line item and credit line item, we can maintain the information in 150 fields totally 150 fields, but all fields are not required by all the accounts. See these examples. Rent account are to cash account, raw material account to vendors account. The text field and business area fields are required for every account. The cost center field is required only for rent account, but not for other accounts. The tax rate fields and quality fields is required only for raw material account, but not for other accounts. That is why for every field there are those there are three status available. Let's see the statuses. Let's open SAP. Define field status variant. Path is SPRO, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, fields, define field status variant. T code is OBC4. Directly start with T code OBC4. Okay. See this. Select 0001 field status variant line. Copy and copy as button. Click here. Select 001 field status for 001. Copy as. Click on copy as. Change this. Here BS. Here BS. Click on and copy all. Click on number of dependent entries copied 41. Okay, dependent entries 41. Field status groups 41 is copied. Enter. Number of entries copied 1. See this. Select ARBS, click on account status groups. See this. Select this, click on 001. Let's see one thing. Material consumption. Double click on material consumption. Click here, general data. See this. These all are fields. SI number, taste, invoice reference headings, and color to invoices. Some fields are required. Some fields are optional. Some fields are suppressed. See this. Suppress. If we selected suppress, the particular fields is hidden in the document while posting the business transaction. What is particular fields is hidden in the document while posting the business transaction. If we select required entry, it is compulsory to give a information in that field. See this. Bank. Required. Value date is required. Bank reference number also required. Payment in currency is required. This is, if we selected these fields, it is compulsory to give the information in that field while posting the business transactions. If you selected optional entry, fields is displayed in the document, but we may or may not provide the information in that field. Based on the nature of GL accounts, all the fields was categorized into 41 groups. Those are called field status groups. This is a field status groups. This 41. This is 41. These all are field status groups. Every field status group contain all the 75 fields. This is field status group. Double click on this. These all are fields. Based on the information to be maintained at the time posting to GL account, we select either the suppressor status or required status or optional status for every field in the every field status group. Later on, at the time of creating the GL account, we assign the required field status group. As a result, at the time of debiting or crediting GL accounts, the fields will be populated automatically. What is At the time of debiting or creating the GL account, the fields will populated automatically. I will tell you. Field status in single word. Field status variant control the display of fields to be entered at the time of posting the transactions to the GL account. Are you understood? What is the field status? Field status variant control the display of fields to be entered at the time of posting the transactions to GL account. It is mandatory that every company code should be assigned with one field status. You must assign to company code. There is two options we have. For this purpose, we can use the system defined status variant, or we can define our own field status variant by copying from one of the system defined field status variant. Okay, already we copied. These all are field status variant. This field status proves helpful at the time of posting the transactions. Next, let's see. Next, assign company code to field status variant. Path is same. T code is OBC 5 slash n OBC 5. Enter. What is our position? Click on position. What is our company code? ARBS. ARB Steel Private Limited. Field status variant. We already created such it. ARBS. We not found. Give RAM. Wait. ARBS is not for from line 1. Not fine. Okay. Wait. 01. Field status variant is not created. Let's create one. Wait. Slash n OBC 4. Click on here. Copy as ARBS. Field status variant for ARBS. Save it. Copy or Copy. Click on save. Saved. Data was saved. I forgot to save the data. That's why not displaying there. Let's come. SN company code to field status variant. Slash n OBC5. Click on position. ARBS. Here BS. Field status variant is ARBS. Okay. You can we can directly enter the variant, field status variant, or you can search it here BS. See this field status variant for ARBS. Click on that. Save it. Data was saved. We will continue tomorrow class.